thanks be to Allah, the Lord of the world. My gracious salam to all the valuable guests, esteemed parents, valuable administration, and shining students of Al-Wasi campus and Al-Nafi campus. Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Visha Urwatul Nuska, Head of Research and Development Department of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. And I am deeply humbled and honored to be selected for the obligation to share the remarkable success story of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges and to showcase the exceptional achievements of our brilliant students. I welcome you all on 25th and 26th Annual Prize Distribution Ceremony. I want to extend my bundle of welcome to Honorable and Eminent Chief Guest of the Day, Professor Dr. Muhammad Ramzan, Vice Chancellor, Emerson University, Multan, and a heartiest welcome to our other Chief Guest of the Day, Mr. Hassan Raza Khaki, Superintendent Police, Multan. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing our event and honoring us with your presence. Thank you so much. Next, a very special welcome to the honorable parents who are the special guest of today's event. Yes, valuable parents, you are the exclusive guest of today's event, and I extend my cordial welcome to all of you. And we are highly grateful that you have shown your presence today. And alongside parents, how can I forget our joyful students? Yes, dear students, a welcome to all of you, a joyful welcome to all the shining students of Al-Wasi campus and Al-Nafi campus. Here is a clap for all of you from my side. Once again, a warm, gracious and delighted welcome to everyone sitting around on behalf of respected Chairman Sir Javed Iqbal and passionate team of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. Respected audience, it is a moment of gratitude and gratefulness. I am feeling blessed beyond my years. So, from the deep core of my heart, I am thankful to Allah Almighty for all the blessings, the countless blessings that He gave us without even asking. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, millions and trillions of thanks to Almighty Allah that Britain Group of Schools and Colleges has completed 26 years of excellence. Yes, parents, this is a moment of pride, not just for the team of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges, but for you as well, for your undue support, motivation and trust that you have shown us for the past 26 years. So, an applause for all of you. Congrats to everyone, to the parents, the students, the team members, and especially to the chairman, Sir Javed Iqbal. Praiseworthy guests, it is a time to take a glimpse into the journey that started 26 years back, a journey towards success. Let's take a moment to review the milestones achieved, the challenges overcame, and the triumph celebrated. It was back in 1995, a dream was realized by a person none other than Sir Javed Iqbal, the dream that became the aim of his life. What was that dream? Yes, it was to contribute something positive to the society, to give something back to the society, to bring a change, a positive and everlasting change to the society. Such dreams are not merely just dreams, rather they become magnificent aims. That big dream took shape of a school system that will offer a combination of international standards of education alongside Islamic values. And the journey towards success, towards this dream, finally took its first flight in 1998 by opening of our very first campus, Al-Awwal campus, with the slogan, "Spread Light," and our motto, "We Shape Character." A new slogan was introduced at the launch of Britain International College Network. Dream big, your future starts here. Alhamdulillah, here I am standing in 2024 and I am feeling delighted to announce that Britain Group of Schools and Colleges has 43 campuses all over Pakistan with 1700 plus team members and 15,000 plus students. Clap to banti hai dear audience is par. And no doubt over here I can proudly claim that Britain Group of Schools and Colleges, that is not just our system but your system, dear parents. It is the fastest growing system of Pakistan. Here you can see a network of our authorized campuses. Alhamdulillah, we are offering Hifzul Quran in 8 of our campuses and we have successfully established 12 premium campuses that are fully equipped with facilities for our dear students. And 2 more upcoming projects are on the way. A premium campus in Burj Executive Villa is going to be launched soon with the name of Al-Ahad campus. And a second campus, Al-Ghani campus, is going to be starting in January at Kadipur Rawa. Britain Group of Schools and Colleges is striving to cope the challenges of 21st century education, to impart the skill-based learning into the students. And that is why here at Britain Group of Schools and Colleges, we provide STEM-aligned curriculum. And not just STEM, we also offer benchmark education for our students, that is also known as inquiry-based learning, to let the students think outside the box and explore their interest and curiosity. Dear parents, now it is a moment to unveil a secret news for all of you. Yes, Britain Group of Schools and Colleges is launching something very soon. That is advanced basic coding courses using the Scratch software and the use of AI in education. Are you excited for this edition? Dear parents, it is a unique system. Under one platform, under one system, under the umbrella of Britain family, we offer a range of comprehensive educational courses. We offer playgroup till matriculation, O-level and A-level, intermediate and Alhamdulillah Hifzul Quran as well. We are not only offering all these educational programs, but we are also giving best results in everywhere. Esteemed chief guests, and dear parents, the moment has arrived to reveal the outstanding results of our students in the last 2 sessions. And here I would like to say, Alhamdulillah, हर साल बोर्ड के इम्तिहानात में पोजीशन लेने का मुनफरिद एजाज बरकरार है और ये एजाज है किसके पास? ब्रिटेन ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस के पास. Aesthetics and A's. And in Hifzul Quran department, 38 students completed their Hifzul Quran and passed the Wifaqul Madaris exam. Yes, you can show your appreciation in form of your claps. And now coming towards the astonishing result of 2024. I am once again pleased to announce that our student secured second position in Multan board. Munib Ahmed from Britain secured 548 marks out of 555. Romesa Arshad and Maila Abid, and 3 students secured 546 out of 555. Hamza Suhail, Muhammad Usman and Maryam Salman. Here I can again proudly show you the summary of our 9th matriculation result. Total 464 students appeared, out of which A+ students were 303 and A+ and A grade students were 387. And Alhamdulillah, 100% results were achieved. In 10th matric, first position was secured by Bilal Arshad. He secured 1176 marks out of 1200. Amna Hussain secured 1174 marks out of 1200. Norisa Khan and Laiba Atiq secured 1173 marks out of 1200. The summary of 10th matric result: 382 students appeared in the exam. in which A plus students were 261 and 325 students secured A plus and A grade. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, 100% results were shown again. And dear parents, here I would like to make a claim, a very big claim, that only Britain Group of Schools and Colleges display the result summary this openly and publicly in front of the parents. Do you know the reason for that? Yes, because असल रिजल्ट तो यही है. पोजीशन वाले तो 3-4 बच्चे होते हैं, लेकिन जब ओवरऑल A प्लस और A ग्रेड के बच्चे इतने ज़्यादा तादाद में हों तो फिर असल रिजल्ट सामने आता है. So a huge round of applause for all the team and administration that is working hard day and night to achieve these results. In ACE level, our student Aram Hanan secured 3 A's out of 3 subjects, and in A levels, 2 students, Sharjil Ali Khan, Umar Sadan got 4 aesthetics and A's out of 4 subjects, and Abdullah Said secured 3 A's out of 3 subjects. Basically, in how many subjects they appeared, they secured aesthetics and A's. So, coming towards the O levels, our student Hassan Tahir secured 8 aesthetics and A's in 8 subjects, and 4 students got 7 aesthetics and A's out of 7 subjects. Their names Asadullah Rashid, Atibur Rahim, Saim Salim and Muhammad Usman Tahir. And now, the surprise of the day for all the worthy parents. Are you ready to unveil it with me? Okay, dear students, dear parents and students, I am feeling obliged and honored to announce that our student has secured world level distinction in O-level accounting examination. He was honored with the award, Outstanding Cambridge Learner Award of 2024, and it is recognized internationally worldwide. It is no doubtedly a huge achievement for the Cambridge wing. So a clap from my side and congratulations to all his parents and all the worthy parents. In Hifzul Quran in 2024, 27 students completed their Hifz and passed the Wifaqul Madaris exam. And overall, Alhamdulillah, since 2012, 193 students have completed Hifz from the platform of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. Now, dear parents, the question arises, what is behind all these achievements? And the answer lies in only one sentence: Allah's blessings, Allah's blessings, and Allah's blessings. We believe Allah's blessings are with us in the form of the prayers and trust of our honorable parents, in the form of you all sitting around. So, I would like to say, आपका दिल की गहराइयों से शुक्रिया for all the support that you have been showing for the past 26 years, your trust, your motivation, and your showing up to our events and for our students. A clap from my side and from all the team of Al-Wasi campus and Al-Nafi campus. And then secondly, Allah's blessings are with us in the form of efforts and hard work of the team of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. Strong, diligent, devoted team, and their efforts are crucial in the success of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. We are truly grateful for their dedication and passion, as they are the driving force behind all these achievements that I have mentioned today. Lastly, Allah's blessings are with us in the form of passion and big dream of Sir Javed Iqbal, who is a great educationist, passionate leader, researcher, and a trainer. By implementing the policy of promotions within the system, he has developed his own team that is heading the departments at head office. And you can see there are more than 10 departments that are working at head office directly under the leadership of Sir Javed Iqbal. All these departments centrally control the campuses, and they are responsible for their training and development. Why? Because it is a dream of Sir Javed Iqbal to make his team more valuable and to make the students high achiever. Thank you so much, respected sir, for all that you have done and you keep on doing for your team, students, and parents. For for special thanks to Sir Javed Iqbal on the behalf of all the teachers and students, a couplet from my side. आपसे ही BISS की कौम की खुशहाली है, आपसे ही BISS की कौम की खुशहाली है, आपने ही कश्ती सबकी तूफान से निकाली है, फर्श की खाक को परवाज सिखाई आपने, आपने तकदीर हजारों की बदल डाली है. Bundle of thanks to you, sir, for all your efforts. Praiseworthy audience, I would like to bring my speech to a closure by once again extending my thanks and gratitude to our chief guest, Professor Dr. Mohammad Ramzan and Mr. Hasan Raza Khaki, and to all the worthy parents that have joined us this early in the morning on a weekend. So, आपके लिए special thanks कि आप आए for the appreciation and motivation of the students. Jazakallah everyone, may Allah bless you.